name's Dalton Leritz, and I'm a Platinum Elite Field Service Technician for Fairchild out of Bloomington branch. I've been here about 6 years, and I service most of the state as I work on the heavy-duty truck line. A tip I have for my customers is to build trust in your technician and listen to what they write up on our OM maintenance. Things like lift chains and normal wear items often can cause huge safety issues if not fixed right away. So in my spare time, I like to spend time with my wife and family. We also have a Harley we like to go ride and keep up on our property and try to have some fun outside work.